To give up, you have to be dead, or completely incapacitated.
Braille-sur-Selves knowledge is coming.
Day 1. Starting over for the month. Boom boom but dot agenda? Okay. Fine. But no more nugmas, son. CCNA, Python, DevOps, acronyms, Cosmos, Trader. Talking about Cosmos. We should do as less as possible, sir. Yes, sir. So what are we talking about? CCNA. So previously on Ready Not to Die right now. IP addressing basics. So, now, let's talk about configuring TCP IP. Okay. Fine. You learned about some of the popular protocols that exist in the TCP IP suite. Like what? Who knows? Okay. Fine. Application layer. Network file system, NFS. Network information service. NIS. Domain name system. DNS. Damn, that will take too long. Nobody got time for that. BullDAP. Telnet. FTP. A login. RSH. RCP. RIP. RDISC. SNMP and others. Transport layer. TCP. UDP.SCTP. Internet layer. IP4. IP6. ARP. ICMP. Data link layer. PPP. IEEE 802.2. Physical network layer. Ethernet, token ring, RS-232, FT, RS-485 and others. Most of them you did not learn, son, but whatevs. So now I will introduce you to the configuration of TCP IP by telling about the addressing scheme and rules for assigning an address to a system. Okay. Fine. Tell me how you are going to tell me. So to configure TCP IP properly, the word is properly, right, you must know the settings for the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Starting with the IP address. But not today. Not today? Yes, sir. Why not? Maybe shut up. Let's talk about Python and how to write and run your very first program. Like I really care. But now it is now time, and it is time to write and run your first Python 3 program. It will be very simple, for now. Son. Okay. Fine. Tell me like I'm dumb like my son dumb is. The first step is to create source file and fill it with code. Wow. Okay. Fine. So that is it for today. Amazing.
Okay. Fine. Now. Dev. Ops. Maybe baby. So memory. What is memory management? In a multi-programming computer, the operating system resides in a part of memory and the rest is used by multiple processes. Okay. Fine. This one is simple, sir. Now, the task of subdividing the memory among different processes is called memory management. Okay. Fine. Got it. Memory management is a method in the operating system to manage operations between main memory and disk during process execution. So the task is to manage something between RAM and hard drive. Okay. Fine. But the main aim of memory management is to achieve efficient utilization of memory. Yes. Achieve it, please. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you why memory management is important. Okay. Fine. Memory management is important to allocate and deallocate memory before and after process execution. Yeah, I guess, sir. Then it is required to keep track of used memory space by processes. Right. Then it is required to minimize fragmentation of main memory. Fragmentation? You kind of losing me from this point on. Also it is required to proper utilize the main memory. And but now also it is required to maintain data integrity while executing processes. Right. What? Okay. Fine. Next we will discuss aka I'll tell you about the concept of logical address space and physical address space.
Day what? Day 1. AAA, Authentication Authorization and Accounting. AAA. AAA, Authentication, Authorization, Accounting, and Auditing. AAA. ACL, Access Control List. ACL. ADSL, Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. ADSL. AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. AS. AH, Authentication Header. AH. AP, Access Point. AP. APC, Angle Polished Connector. APC. APIPA, Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. APIPA. APT, Advanced Persistent Tool. APT. What else? Cosmos? What about it? Emmy Noether. Noether's theorem. So the universe and nature itself is lazy. Giuseppe Lodovico Lagrangia and William Rowan Hamilton. Reformulating the equations of Newton. Concept of least action. So all nature somehow always chooses the laziest of options. Maybe I should function like this also. Ha ha. Universe laziness reigns supreme. Idea of conserved quantities. Conservation of energy.
Just can't